Welcome to Nihongo with Amaya. Learn Japanese with joy and confidence.
Yama, mountain. Yama, mountain. Yama, mountain. Kawa, river. Kawa, river. Kawa, river. Mizu, water. Mizu, water. Ki, tree. Ki, tree. Ki, tree. Sora, sky. Sora, sky. Sora, sky. Hana, flower. Hana, flower. Hana, flower. Hito, person. Hito, person. Hito, person. He, Nichi, sun or day. He or Nichi, sun or day. Chuki, moon, month. Chuki, moon or month. Ame, rain. Ame, rain. Ame, rain. Te, hand. Te, hand. Te, hand. Kuruma, car. Kuruma, car. Kuruma, car. Now try the kanji test video to check your memory. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.